Yeah. So pretty much I'm out and about, man. Oh, they got some nice pickups over there too. I gotta run up here and grab. They got all the pickups up here. I'm gonna have to stop back up here. Look at that lot up there. That's where Mama got Nelly Bill at. That one only 9 racks. But yeah, I gotta go grab some adapters because my rear end been shortened. So by my rear end being shortened, my back wheels, my factory, my stocks, my rollouts, they don't fit. So what I'm gonna pretty much do is just go run up here to this rim shop, grab some adapters. That way I can throw my factory back wheels back on and hurry up and shoot over here to my boy so he can knock out this Dakota digital for me. So y'all stay tuned. When I get there, I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Let's go. Because like I say, we'd be fighting if I come pull up and somebody be to scratch these rims. These rims, $9,000. I'll be damned if somebody scratch them up. What you can buy and do lip, but I'm not finna buy nothing. They already still look new. They are still new, actually. These rims ain't got 100 miles on them yet. I'm not finna leave them on there. Any smart man would remove his wheels, taking it to the shop if you got any sense, man. And for those of y'all follow me on social media, y'all probably seen my little rant when I say I'm getting my car repainted. It's wet, but like I said, dude got a lot of little flaws. Like for a rookie or a beginner, this paint job will be decent or perfect for a beginner. But I've been in the car game too long to accept this paint job. It's a lot of little small flaws. Like I say, I can get by. If I just leave the wheels on here and roll him, he's still going to be a head turner, but I want perfection, you know? And like I said, ain't going to never be 100% perfect, but when you're dealing with a different type of painter that pull everything apart, you're going to get better results. I don't like the painters who tape shit off. I told dude that before I brought it, he still taped everything off. So I'm going to get it looking right, but when you tape shit off, you end up missing little spots, like right here, which this ain't missing. That's some compound from when he was wet sanding and stuff, but the other side, he got a little spot miss. Look at the door right there. See what I'm saying? That's from the door. I don't know what happened right there. But I guess the paint wasn't thick there because it was taped or something. I don't know. So it's a lot of little small details. Like I said, overall, it looked good if you just stand back and look at it. But I'm going for a little more quality than this, man. Like I say, my name getting bigger and bigger out here in this car game. And I'm definitely going to have to stand up behind it, man. I can't be just coming any kind of way to no car show with all them flaws. They'll pick me apart. That'd be something for my haters to talk about. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that little spot right there. See, he over-taped that and there ain't no paint there. See what I'm saying? So it's a lot of little stuff. Like I said, it's decent, but it ain't decent enough. But let me stop talking so goddamn much and throw these adapters on. These are the adapters I just bought right here from dude at the rim shop. He swear he was giving me a deal when I could have got these offline for like $80, but I needed them right now. So let me go ahead and get them. For those of y'all that don't know, I say I need them because I got my rear end shortened and these wheels will not fit no more on the back. So let me jack this thing up, get these wheels off, and I'll cut y'all back on. So yeah, man, I'm en route to drop the box off. I had to do a lot of shit. Man. The lug nuts wasn't fitting. I had to grab them adapters, as y'all see. Couldn't locate my rest of my lug nuts, so I had to find those. I had to do a lot of shit, so thank God I'm just now on the road now. So dude probably think I'm bullshitting. You know, I be on time with everything I do. I'm a real punctual person when it comes to handling business, so I hate being late. When it comes to being late, I hate that. You know what I'm saying? So it just so happened, you know, I was looking at houses this morning, and then I told him I'd get with him afterwards. I was supposed to drop it off yesterday, but I was looking at houses yesterday too, so like I say, my house situation comes first, so I'm not gonna put that on hold to be messing with no car. But I still like to give somebody my word and stick to that. That's the type of guy I am. All we got in this world is our balls and our word. So I try to stick with it, man. But we finna drop this damn car off, man, so I can get in the shower, man. I'm sweating, dusty, messed up my new shirt, white dude. cameraman. What's up, cameraman? How's it going? I got bystanders shooting. Okay. I see you. We right up the road. Y'all can see I'm back from dropping the box off. Yes, my boy came through with the console as promised. So it's basically the same design as the last time. Yes, I got the LEDs added with the button, and I got the little spot in the back where my 6.5 will go. Only thing I'm missing is my 6.5. But I guess I can go grab some more. I already got my mids. I got to get some more highs because my highs was in that box too. So they just gone. I had some brand new ones in there. But like I say, nonetheless, the main thing is my boy came through with the console, which I appreciated. For those of y'all think it's a new one though, I mean the old one this is a new one. He just did the same design for me because that design was hot. That's the design I like. So I'm going to get it wired up right quick and let y'all see what this little thing doing. If y'all follow me on social media, y'all already seen this, but if you didn't follow me, y'all let me know, get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, how y'all like it, what y'all think about it, and yeah, we go from there. So let me get this wired up right quick. I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. So as y'all can see, this combo is super lit. And as y'all can see as well, look, the lights go off. Just a button LED, like I said. Look nice and slick, man, with a 9.7-inch iPad in there. Like I said, I think it looked pretty slick, man. Simple but clean, though. You know what I mean? But it's still detailed like a mug. You know what I'm saying? You see them details? It's super detailed, man. Like I said, this inside of the box Chevy is gonna be a hit, along with my kick panels. I'm debating now if I'm gonna update my kick panels and put some lights in those. I'm actually going back and forth with him, conversing now to see if we're gonna be able to come up with something. But for now, I'm gonna go with the kick panels I got. But he do got a new style of kick panels that he had made that I might be interested in getting. But this is what I got, man. I think it look pretty slick. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. That's that. So yeah, that's pretty much it though, man. But like I say, this is a clean setup. So, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all want to get this done or something like this, y'all get in my boy Steve Davis on Instagram and on YouTube. I'm pretty sure most of y'all follow him because we did a lot of business. I've mentioned his name in a lot of other videos. So there y'all go, because everybody asks me every time, where you get that from? Who made it? So you better have your money together because it ain't cheap. And I'm just telling y'all now. So if you want some quality work, you're going to have to pay some quality cash. But like I say, it's well worth it, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like I say, that's a 4-piece rear deck, lit up. Can't beat it. We out though, man. Peace. Quick Walmart trip, man. Quick Wally World.
All right, let's go back this way.
Okay, though. Dusty. Pay attention where you going, man. Ah, come on.
I'm ready.
Just getting school supplies. A few hygiene things. Pretty much it. What's up? Oh, yeah, right. Thanks for the reminder. Garbage bags, that's what I'm talking about. They're going to be down that way anyway, though, but thanks for the reminder, boss. Whatever we don't get, we'll get tomorrow. I repeat. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I wonder who this lady is. This is my late grandmother. One of my favorite women in the world. She passed in 2004. This woman taught me a lot. Barely wear this shirt. I want to keep it in pristine condition. Love her to death, though. Come on, man. Pretty empty for a Saturday night, though.
supposed to get a 12-pack of fat pencils.
Okay, well, they ain't had no fat
Okay, we got the
pencils.
scissors.
That's they being specific on what they want us to grab.
We got the baby wipes.
Baby wipes were there, okay. Self checkout. Okay, Mama Bear. Get your receipt. They say if you don't look back at your car when you walk away from it, it ain't the car for you. Big Pressure still look good 2 years later. And put enough money into it, but it ain't gave me no real problems though. This thing done ran. I got a receipt full of money on the ground. I'll take care of this baby. Yeah, so I just got the call that the box is ready. That was faster than I thought he was gonna get it done. He told me 2 days, but he got right on it when I dropped it off. So I'm finna go ahead and take this little long ride over there to go pick it up right quick and cut y'all back on when we get there. Let's go. So as y'all can see, I picked him up, man. And that damn dash look much better. That Dakota, y'all can't really see through the steering wheel, but if you see it, that Dakota, that's the old joint right here. Y'all don't mind that computer, this interior getting done. So, yeah, but it look good. I got an accurate gas hand now. Like I say, man, dude pretty good. He got me in, got me out. My type of work. And did a good job, so we good to go. So I'm gonna get this thing back up to the house, man, and pretty much see what else we got to do. That's the farthest I ever rode this thing, and I must say, she ride damn good. Damn good. I ain't watched it once since I had it. Watch out there. Yeah, this the farthest I drove it. It stayed cool, even in the stop and go traffic. It stayed cool. This thing run good. Yes, sir. See that temperature sensor right there? I'm gonna clean this off under this hood though. Still pretty dusty from getting painted. But yeah, man. And as y'all can see, she got her old house shoes back on. Check it out. We're gonna put the 28s back on this week though. See that paint chip on the door right there? Look at that. That's just one. One of them is the sunshine. The other one is the paint chip. It is what it is though, man. We're gonna get it right. Those champion cooler fans get that boy cool though. But we out, man. That's pretty much it, man. As y'all can see, the Dakota, I might give y'all a night view of it. But y'all pretty much see what it is, man. Just simple and clean. It's the VHX, it's not the HDX, the old joint over there. Super clean, super clean. And another thing on top of the OD running so good, this car don't have no leaks. That's a beautiful thing. You know how you put a new motor in, you're gonna have a leak here and there. This thing ain't leaking nothing. I done fell in love with this car. I think I got a new favorite, low key. But like I said, raw, it's beautiful. I'm gonna wash it probably. Probably put the 28s back on there tomorrow or something. I don't know. I'm gonna take it up to the shop first and see what they talking about on my rag so I can get this black rag off of there and then we'll go from there. I decided to keep the flash off so y'all can see it. I still got up. Still got a, look down, see that? This glass, I might need a new glass if I can find one. Got a few scratches on it. you, I think it looked pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It's clean, nice, conventional, you know what I'm talking about? It's complimentary. It definitely compliments this car. Like I said, I got to calibrate the speed, but I took the wheels off, so that's why he didn't calibrate it, because I took the wheels off of here. I'm going to calibrate it once I put the wheels on there, because the 28 is going to be on here 99% of the time anyway. This is going to be more so of just a show car. This ain't going to be no car where I'm trying to make it a daily. So, like I said, it'll be on here most of the time anyway. But as y'all can see, yes, sir, that looked pretty good. But I'm going to let y'all go, man, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. I done held y'all up long enough. So, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I think it looked pretty clean. Now, like I said, Tuesday, we're going to be going to get the estimate for the rag top, and I might drop a deposit so we can go ahead and get started on it, because I need that done ASAP. I see this headliner. Can't wait to get this interior done, man. This interior going to be hard, especially with them custom pieces I got made. So, and I got this original dash. I don't know, a lot of people still like original stuff, so if somebody wants the original dash, I got it right here, man. I actually got 2 of them, so hit me up and let me know what's happening. And I also, if y'all follow me on social media, y'all see that I'm doing promo on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do a 3-for-1 special. I promote y'all on my Insta story, on my Facebook story, and on the YouTube channel. $25 per ad. So like I said, the one on the YouTube channel will be there forever. So many people watch the videos, you'll get advertising for that. I put it at the beginning of the video for $25. Or if you want it at the end of the video, I put it on the end of the video for 15 bucks. It's all up to y'all. Let me know what you think. I'm just trying something new, trying to monetize, you know, and get some more money out of this thing. So, and it's definitely helpful on both ends, like I said, because if the right people see it, you never know. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I got videos with 200,000 views on them alone. So you never know which video gonna hit what. So you might want to invest. $25 ain't a bad investment to try to, you know, get your brand out there a little bit. So y'all let me know what y'all think, though, man. It's Box Chevy P checking out. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. To the Box Chevy family, if you're here just watching this video too, hit that subscribe button. To all my new subscribers, y'all got more content coming. To all my hardcore day 1 subscribers, I love y'all. Stay blessed and hit a like on this video, man. At this point, if you make it to this point, put a thumbs up in the comment section. We out though, man. Peace.